Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to protect a Microsoft Excel file with password. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To protect a Microsoft Excel file with password, open your Excel document and click on File tab on upper left corner, and then click on Info, and here you will find the first option, Protect Workbook. Click on the drop down menu here, and here you will find an option, Encrypt with Password. Click on Encrypt with Password. Now type the password and then click on OK. Re-enter your password. Click on OK. The document is password protected, and you will find a notification, a password is required to open this workbook. Okay, now close the Excel document, and I'm going to open the Excel document again, and look, password is required to open the document. I'm entering the password. Click on OK. Look, the document has been opened and it's password protected. This is the easiest way to protect a Microsoft Excel file with password. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.